A lot to get to tonight. We begin at 5 with the plan to try and slow the spread of COVID for a second winter as cases rise across the country. Here at home, we saw more than 5,600 more Hoosiers diagnosed with COVID-19. You can see those numbers going up on the right-hand part of your screen. Just yesterday, we saw the highest number of new cases reported since the beginning of the year. We don't know of any cases of this new Omicron variant here in Indiana, but earlier today, the state of Minnesota confirmed the country's second case. It was a person who'd recently traveled to New York. It is spreading, and that's one of the reasons why President Biden is out with 5 steps today to fight COVID this winter. So here's a look. The first involves expanding the national booster campaign. The president says there are 100 million adults who haven't gotten their boosters yet. So if you were vaccinated before June 2nd, you're encouraged to get an extra boost. The second is to expand efforts to vaccinate kids as young as 5.
For any parent worried about Omicron variant or the Delta variant, get your child vaccinated at one of the 35,000 locations in the country, including doctors' offices, pharmacies, children's hospitals, and 9,000 pop-up clinics at schools.
President Biden says they also plan to make free at-home COVID tests more available. The next 2 steps will be important as you travel over the holidays. The White House plan extends the transportation mandate. That means we'll have to keep wearing masks on planes, trains, and other forms of public transportation like buses through the middle of March. And in addition to that, anybody flying into the U.S. from overseas will need to test negative for COVID within 24 hours of their flight.